Today I'm going to show you a few simple steps to make any photograph or YouTube thumbnail that you're working with comes to life and pop. To do this, we're gonna use an app called Snapseed, which is totally free. There are no ads and it's available on iOS and Android. If you don't have this on your phone yet, you need to have this on your phone. Tutorial that I'm gonna do today is gonna be a basic entry-level tutorial. If you're not that experienced with Snapseed and you don't know what to do with it. The first image that we're gonna work with is a photograph of a woman, and the second image that we are gonna work with is a photograph of food. But it doesn't matter what sort of image you have, what I'm gonna show you today applies to everything. So let me open up Snapseed and show you how it's done. We're gonna open up Snapseed. You need to choose a photo and choose on the woman's portrait that we're gonna work with. Now, this is the picture that we're gonna work with. Next, tap on Tools, and it will show you a bunch of tools here, but we're gonna first focus on Tune Image tool here. So we're gonna tap on Tune Image. When you're in Tune Image, you'll notice that if you push your finger on the screen and move up and down, it will show you different settings. You're gonna see brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows, and warmth. For this particular image, because it looks a little bit dark and it doesn't really pop, we're gonna work with the brightness, the ambience, and the warmth. Now, go to brightness. We're gonna slide our finger to the right and then increase the brightness a little bit. Now, as you can see, if you move your finger to the left, you can see the brightness decreasing. We're gonna keep the brightness at this level. Next, we're gonna move to saturation. We're gonna increase a little saturation here. Then we'll move to ambience. We will increase the ambience by a little bit, for about 30 plus. Lastly, we're gonna go to warmth. Now, you can see the color changing here by moving to the left and right. I'll change the warmth to the color that I like. Okay, at any time along the way, if you're curious about how your image looked like before and after, you can tap on this little icon on the top right to see the difference between before and after. Now, click on Tools. You're going to click on Portrait to enhance your person picture's face. As you can see, the person's face is actually enhanced by a little. Now you can click on the slider below and click on Eye Clarity. If you want more white in your person's eye, go ahead and slide a little right, but not too much. And you can see the difference between before and after by clicking the top right icon. Now click on Tools and click on Vignette. Normally I will decrease the outer brightness by a little. Now I'm gonna slide to the inner brightness and increase it a little to make the image pop. And adjust the outer brightness again to make it look nicer. Lastly, if you want to save this image, click on Export and then save a copy. And we're done with the woman portrait. Next, we're gonna move to the food photo. Now, I'm gonna walk you through the same process, but this time I'll show you how to highlight certain colors to add some more colors to the individual color. Now click on Tools and go to Tune Image. Now we're gonna add some brightness, some saturation, and some ambience. Now look at ambience. Look at how it's changing the color of your picture. This is something that you'll want to focus for your thumbnails. And finally, I'll add some warmth and click on Save. Then click on Tools and we're gonna use the magical tool called Selective. Now how this works is that anywhere I tap, it will drop a pin. As you can see, there's a B, that means brightness. If you scroll down, you'll see different options. But for this example, I'll focus on saturation. Go ahead and select saturation. And we'll increase the saturation for a bit. What it does here is that it focuses on this red color and make the color pop. Next, we'll do the similar process for other colors. For instance, I'll choose this spice over here and I'll increase the saturation by a bit. Look how that made your color pop. Lastly, I'll ensure the green here pop also, so I'll increase the saturation by a bit by using the selective tool. And we're done. Click on export and save a copy. So these are the simple basic steps to really make your photo come to life. One thing I would like to remind is, I use a lot of saturation and also ambience in my photos, but you don't want to overdo it. So do not overdo your saturation and ambience for your photos. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bells for notifications. I'll see you on the next one. See ya!